Seattle is also an economic hub. Seattle was formerly the headquarters for the Boeing Company. The plane Boeing 777-300ER on which we are sitting that is also manufactured by the company, the world's largest manufacturer of commercial aircraft. Although Boeing relocated to Chicago in 2001, much of the company's airplane production is still based in Seattle. You might not find the view of Seattle city so attractive, but it's really a beautiful city. I will be sharing some of the videos later on. You may enjoy it. Thank you very much.